Hi everybody, I am teacher Vlad and the Beautiful English Learning System. The Beautiful English Learning System is the best English grammar tutorial and the best English speaking training system. Today we will learn how to use demonstrative pronouns. We use them when we talk about the location of an object or a person, when we need to indicate if an object, objects or a person, people is close to us or far from us. We say, this is an apple. The demonstrative pronoun this indicates that the apple is next to us here. Or we give additional information about this object or a person. This apple is big and red. This apple is here. It is close to me. If we are talking about many people or objects that are near us here, we use the pronoun these. These are apples. Or we give additional information about these objects or people. These apples are big and red. These apples are here. They are close to me. If an object, objects, or a person, people are far away from us, there we use the demonstrative pronouns that, those. We say, that is an apple. The pronoun that indicates that the apple is far from us, there. Or we give additional information about that object or a person. That apple is big and green. That big green apple is there. It is far from me. If we are talking about many people or objects that are far from us, there, we use the pronoun those. Those are apples. Or we give additional information about those objects or people. Those apples are big and green. Those big green apples are there. They are far from me. To learn using these four simple words, this, that, these, those, correctly, you should definitely practice very well. I know that many English learners cannot remember these four simple words and cannot use them correctly because they are similar to each other in both spelling and sounding. First, you will practice with a Grammarlingua card so that your speech system gets used to pronouncing sounds, words, and sentences of English language. Then you will build sentences using color schemes, replacing colors with words. This is an active work. It trains our brain very well and develops the ability to make the correct sentences. Then you will practice speaking with a talking lingua card. You will see the picture of yourself in the center. The pictures that are in your row and below or above your row are close to you. These, here. And the last rows located above and below are things or people that are far from you. That, those, there. If you start from the top row, it will be, that is a boy. That is a girl. Those are doctors. On the second lingua card on the right, you will see adverbs. Here, there. If you start from the top row, which is far from you, that, those, there, it will be. That beautiful girl is there. That young boy is there. Those good doctors are there. Having finished exercises with the talking lingua card, proceed to writing exercises. You will need to write sentences for Grammarlingua cards, fill in gaps with words, unscramble sentences and write down the text that you will hear. Be sure to do this last exercise properly. While doing this exercise, you will learn to understand spoken English and you will also learn how to write English words correctly. The principle of successful learning is very simple. You can do what you have learned to do. If you want to learn speaking, you should speak. If you want to learn writing correctly, you should write. In order to learn doing something, you should do it practically, because knowledge is useless without practical skills. Most English learners cannot speak because they just watch teachers or other people speaking and sometimes repeat after them. Therefore, if you really want to learn speaking and making correct sentences, you should go to practical lessons and get automatic speaking skills. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and our newsletter. Like and dislike and express your opinion so that other learners know that learning English with Beautiful English is cool and effective. Also visit our website beautifulenglish.org. You will find everything you need to start speaking English there. Good luck and all the best. See you in the next lesson.